Welcome to another episode of Autodesk Maya 2020 tutorial. In this tutorial, I will talk about Maya surface material layer shader effect. First, go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon sphere, scale the polygon sphere just like this and move it up. Go to modify, freeze transformation. Now click on this hypershade icon or go to Windows, rendering editor, click hypershade. Now click on this Maya tab, click surface and slide it. This will show bunch of material. First click on this layer shader material. See and click. This is layer shader material. Layer shader material shows two material to look through. One is other. Take another material. I take Lambert. Click continue. Put the Lambert material just here. Layer shader material here. Again take another material. I take Phong E. Put the Phong E material here. Now select the layer shader material. Middle click on this Lambert material. Middle click. This will show a plus icon on the middle of the Lambert material. Just middle click and drag the Lambert material here, layer shader attribute, and click on this cross icon to remove the default layer shader material. And do the same for the Phong E1 material. Middle click the Phong E1 material and drag it here. See, this is Phong E1 material and this is Lambert 2 material. Click on this icon. This will show input output connection. See. Now middle click on the layer shader material and drag it to the polygon sphere. To see the texture effect or material effect, just press 6 on your keyboard. Now select the Lambert material. Click on this color checker box. Select file and locate the file. I take this file for the Lambert material. See this file. See the effect. This is the Lambert material texture or file effect. Now click on this Phong E1 material and do the same for the same as the Lambert material. Click on this color checker box. Select file and locate the file. See, this file is for Phong E material. Select and see, nothing is seen here. See. Now select the Lambert material. Middle click on the Lambert material file and drag it to the transparency layer. See, common material properties of the Lambert material. Middle click and drag it to the transparency layer. See, this will show this icon. That means the transparency layer of this Lambert material is driven by this file. Now click on this Phong E1 material and slide the specular color slider and see the effect. Just click on this viewport icon. To see the viewport or take the viewport, just go to Windows, Viewport. Windows, click on this viewport icon. Minimize the hypershade window. To see the applied material on this polygon sphere, just click on this icon or press 6 on your keyboard. See the effect. Now click on this polygon plane, scale the plane. Just press R on your keyboard and scale the polygon plane. Now go to Windows, Rendering Editor, Render Setting, select Maya Software instead of Arnold Renderer. Again go to Windows, Rendering Editor, Render View. Click on this icon and see the effect. Zoom it and put it at the front of the scene. Again click render and see the effect. This is the layer shader effect in Autodesk Maya 2020. It's basic and easy. So viewer, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share on my video, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.